I can't even compete with the Brads, Lyle, and some others on here. But I've got a Hot Rod Deluxe here. It's the crackle came in for the crackle. You know why that is, because those are failing. The one right there is physically leaking some stuff. But because of the Lyle and the Brads, I understand what should be done, because this guy is actually in very good shape right now. You can see it's just starting to turn brown around those resistors, and I've had it running here, and here we are. At one point they hit like 215 degrees, and because of those great amp guys on YouTube, I know what should be done to this amp, especially right now while you still can. But the owner does not want to do it, because he just wants to do everything as cheap as he can, and that's fine. It's just a shame, because I know what that leads to. And I would also, and I might even just go ahead and change those screen grid resistors for free, because they should be changed. Thank you, Lyle and the Brads, for teaching us all about this stuff. And like I said, I know because of Lyle. Lyle's got a great video, and he had an amp kind of like in this condition. And there's just, you know, a couple of diodes, a couple of resistors, and the caps. But, you know, it's quite a bit of work. You got to drop the board out, and, you know, and of course, you know, I'm not like anywhere near those guys. I don't even put myself in the same class, but I know what needs to be done, and it's quite a bit of work. And you know, what do? You can't work for free, right? So I guess we're just gonna change the caps out and go from there, and really hope I don't see this come back in. Just actually, I mean, who knows what the other side of the board looks like, but right now, from this side of the board, from this angle, it looks like it's not in terrible shape yet, but it's on the way there. The diodes, you can see that this whole area right here is just, it gets cooked, and then you start, you know, burning traces out. So anyway, Fender Hot Rod Deluxe 3, I believe. I think it's a 3. Yep, same problems as the hundreds of amps that those guys see every year. And I'm sure it'll sound a lot better with the new caps and everything, but just drives you nuts.